Why do we yawn? Yawning might seem like just a sign of boredom or sleepiness, but it actually serves several intriguing purposes. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath, which increases oxygen intake. This process is believed to help cool down the brain, essentially acting like a radiator. A cooler brain often performs better, which is why yawning might occur when your brain needs a quick boost in alertness or cognitive function. Yawning is also contagious. Seeing, hearing, or even thinking about yawning can trigger your own response. This could be a leftover instinct from our ancestors used to synchronize group alertness and behavior. So the next time you yawn, remember, it's not just about being tired. It's your brain's way of staying cool and sharp.